How to use demographic focus fitness apps. Demographic focus fitness apps tailor their approach to your specific needs. Today we'll be using MyFitnessPal app, showing how it caters to diverse goals and lifestyles. First, download MyFitnessPal. Creating a profile is key. Be honest. Accurate information leads to a better personalized plans. MyFitnessPal excels at calorie tracking. The app provides a clear overview, helping you understand your caloric needs and make informed choices. Beyond calories, MyFitnessPal tracks macronutrients, for example, protein, carbs, fats. This is very important for your various fitness goals. For muscle gain, prioritize protein. For weight loss, monitor carbs and fats. MyFitnessPal uses your data to suggest tailored meal plans and workouts, adapting as you progress. MyFitnessPal empowers you to achieve your fitness goals. Download it today and start your personalized journey.